When your actors are feeling low or at the low point, what do you recommend? You know, how do you give that advice to get them back to fighting spirit?
I just tell them sort of what's going on and how things are quieter and then I also sort of will say, look, these are the things that I've sent you for, that you write for. You know, write a few letters, be a bit more, you know, because we can all get in a bit of a rut, can't we? And I think the problem with social media, it has its good points, but also you can see that the whole world is working. And look at me, here's me on set, and it is quite depressing.
Only share the positives.
Not the negatives.
Grass is greener.
So I've got lots of friends that have come off social media for that. They can't cope with it. They've just come off it and they feel much better for it. So I'd say just take all of that with a pinch of salt. That's not real life. We know that Instagram is airbrushed, so I feel like the whole of social media is sometimes airbrushed. So just keep true to yourself, know your talent and practice as well. You know, if you feel like, oh, I'm a bit rusty, I've not done any acting for a bit, go and take some classes, because you can't expect, if you've been to drama school, to then like have like 4 or 5 years off and then be as good as you were at drama. It's a muscle, isn't it? It's muscle memory. You've got to practice your skill. So just plough your own field, as I always say. Just, you know, make sure you're okay and just go at your own pace. Don't try and go, well, such a body's doing that, I should do that. Everyone's
trust in the siege of I guess.
And also it is very much right actor, right part. You know, and it will, if you've been seen by casting directors, that's a real positive. You're getting those tapes, they've seen you, and there will be a part that comes in that you're right for. It just will happen, so just keep going.